Hey, this is Norm with EntreTools, and I had a client that has this web page right here, and what they have is various art pieces, and in this case, on this page, there's a grid that is 4 by 2 that displays various pieces of their artwork. Now, each one of these is a WooCommerce product, and this grid currently just shows random pics from all of the artwork that's available. And the question I was asked is there a way to just show specific pieces of art on this page? Because they wanted to highlight the specific pieces. Now, if this was a photo gallery, then the answer is yeah, you could just create a gallery and do it that way. But these are all WooCommerce products. So this is going to show you a great way to use featured products and why you would want to use featured products. So we're going to go and show how to set a featured product in WooCommerce. The first thing, there's 3 ways. The first way is if I go over to products and I go in and edit a product. So let's say if I edit this emboldened product here, if I come over to the right-hand column and look in the right-hand column under publish. Now, publish could be collapsed like it is showing it here, or it might be expanded. But what you want to do is expand it and then come down to this section that says catalog visibility and click on edit. Then under edit is all you simply need to do is say this is a featured product. Click that, say OK, and do your update. So that's the first way that you can do it on a product basis. The second way is back here on your listing where you show all of your artwork product is you can simply select by the checkbox the images that you want to set as featured and then come up here to bulk actions and say edit and apply. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring you up a quick edit screen where then you can simply go down here to featured, say yes, and then, all of the stuff that's in here, it's going to depend on your plugins and everything. You might see some of this stuff, you might not see any of it. It all depends, but featured should show, and you say update. And what it's going to do is it's going to update all of those products that you had selected with the checkbox here, and it's going to update and make all of them featured. And then the third way you can do it, and by the way, you can see here it says 5 products updated. The third way you can do it is right from this screen. There is a column here that is going to say featured. If you don't see that column, come up here to screen options, drop that down, select the featured tab, and then you're going to see a column here with a star, and anything that's filled in is going to be featured. So we had selected all those products, and you can see all of those products, those 5 products are now updated to being featured. And if you want to unselect one of them or select one of them, you can just simply click on the star and it's going to then update it directly from this page. You don't have to go in and actually edit it or anything. So that all depends upon how many you're editing. Sometimes people find that, hey, I like this one, I like this one, I like this one, I like this one. It's easier then just to simply go into bulk edit and just say edit and then apply and then come down here to featured, say yes, and update. And that's going to select all of those. So that's the way to set it to featured. Then why did we want it set to featured? That's going to be back here in our grid. And in this case, I'm using Beaver Builder with PowerPack. So I'm in my Beaver Builder editor right now. This right here is a product grid from PowerPack. If I go in and edit this product grid, then what I can do under the Content tab, it's going to have the thing where it says Product Settings and the Product Source. Instead of saying all products here, I can drop that down, just say featured products, and now it's going to only pull out the featured products, the ones that I've marked featured. In the order that it puts it in is determined by this, and I have right now it's set to random. So out of all of the featured image, and remember this is a 4x2 grid, so you want to do a minimum of 8 images being featured. You can do more, and it'll just pick random images out of all of those that you've marked favorites. So that's how you can set favorites on a WooCommerce product, and one example of how that's useful using a Power Pack product grid and setting it to featured only.